morning. Now calling number 1 on today's list, Commonwealth versus Inyoung You, 1984 CR 00617. This matter appears before the court. A grand jury for the Suffolk of County returned 1 indictment against you. Offense 001, manslaughter. At this time, do you wish to waive the formal reading of the indictments?
Yes, I waive the formal reading of the indictments.
And how do you now plead?
Not guilty.
Thank you.
Within the text messages themselves, the defendant was the one constantly driving the talk of suicide, both her desire to harm herself and for Mr. Urtula to kill himself. Starting in mid to late March of 2019 until the time of Mr. Urtula's death, she repeatedly texted him to go kill himself, go die, told him that her life, his family's life, and the world would be better off without him. She did not contact law enforcement or medical personnel in efforts to intervene and prevent his death at any time. The Commonwealth finds that there's sufficient evidence to believe that the defendant is criminally responsible for Mr. Urtula's death under both theories of involuntary manslaughter.
On the issue of bail, after hearing from both sides, I will adopt the joint recommendation, set bail in the amount of $5,000 with the conditions articulated by the Commonwealth voluntarily, essentially, for this arraignment. So those are the reasons for the bail, which is set without prejudice and subject to review by a justice of this court.
The court imposes the following conditions of release. You are to surrender your passport prior to release, remain in the Commonwealth of Massachusetts, and check in with the probation department by phone bi-weekly. With respect to the protective order has been allowed until further judicial review, and counsel is required to oblige by the protective order within 7 days. Okay? Next court date is January 21st. We'll see you then.
Attorney Kim, your client has to report to probation upon her release from here today.
Thank you, Madam Magistrate. Thank you, Madam Clerk.
Thank you.